A very quick one. Natara very, very pathetic and very, very sad and unfortunate. And what will I know? Ndone Mekotabe will not understand. Ndone Mekotabe will not understand that these Fulani headers, they have circled us. That is the truth. You know the Fulani, Ndo Chenama, Ndo Kadaha, Ndo Pakarati Mgwemha. They have circled this area, Imo State in particular. I will play you a video. This woman here now. Here, one gara here. Gara ubi. Onyama lango bala. One gara ubi. On go jikutere. The Fulani herdsmen we boye ni moya. Boye ni mubie. I will play you the video. Kono hotu wa ishi wasase akpo. Hotu wa ishi na ama akpo ya. And they put me here last week. That the government and the youths of each community should wake up. The problem with some youths, if the youths now want to start acting, the government send their police, send the army. You know, that is the only problem. That the government is not even in synergy with what is happening. The government is not even aware of all these things happening. Imo State. Things are happening. Manenugu. You know? Here I'm again Imo State. Fulani. No, I'm asking you now. Here I'm again Imo State. Fulani. Anambra. That is when you have a government that have synergy with the people. When you have a government that synergizes with the people. No to one you madushi the one. Narenta. Arimo. Wanye grubi. Wanye grawang. Wanye gre ko ihe nya no umu ya yeri. Wanye gra for survivor. Egbufuo ye n'ime ohia. Na amala ngokpa ala. Imo State. Let me play you the video first.
Come book up your every John. Okay. I'll book it up for Buddha. You be here. Yes, you do. Has slippers here, huh? No, ni map here. Okay. This will happen at Umewo Amala Ngopala. Okay. I'm why in that was Saburu. I'm why in that was Saburu anymore here. After enough dragon. I'm why in that was Saburu anymore here. Grab the cops sooner. Why you brought was since yesterday? Honey? I'm why in that was Saburu anymore here yesterday. And then Nama Fulani herdsmen. When I forgot to go to Kuru and keep Azure. Huh? Okay. Oh. No, Hanan. No, couldn't have much everywhere. I chocolate nama. Chalocon nama everywhere. Ha chocolate nama. Ha chocolate nama. On a cocoa nama, baby cha on wine. I think I have Yas happy or I don't have. Narnia, he would the woman yesterday. I chocolate nama everywhere. As you can see. I bring out to my grand Humewo, Ishato, and I'm a Tramas community in Gopal, Imo State. One every since yesterday. As you can see, when I jump over here, me with everything not here. It may go help also. Some government of Nigeria when hug him and touching the
It's not about shouting and making noise. You know, making video. Enough of all these videos. The youth should come together and prevent these things from happening. That is the most important thing. The youths must come together and prevent such rubbish from happening again. The DSS direct equally self-defense is the best. Because the military will not be there, police will not be there, DSS will not be there. You protect yourself. I will play you another voice note in the next video after this one. Go no hokwa ihende Fulani herdsmen no mere. How they kidnapped a man who she put a lot over here. He kidnapped the man. I will play you the video. Sorry, the voice note. Hokwa no gekwe. I just to the picture of what this man is. You to Nile, don't wait for government. Don't wait for police. Don't wait for DSS. Don't wait for military. They will not come. They will not come. Protect yourself. Stand up and protect your fatherland.
Hi everyone. My name is Governor Zioku. This video you are watching right now is a recent experience we had in Ngobala local government area of Imo State. A woman went to the farm and they buy her inside the farm. Somebody's mother, somebody's wife, somebody's grandmother was spied by Fulani herdsmen in Ngobala, LGA area of Imo State. This woman was helpless when she saw the herdsmen destroying her crops, and this old woman opened her mouth and confronted them and asked them if what they were doing is right before God and man. But suddenly, they ended up taking her life. I would want you to watch this video that you may hear from our people and what really happened on that very day. Confusion everywhere, pressures in the village, in the communities. People are living in panics right now. And we are calling on the state government, the federal government, to kindly look into this, our leaders, to know the permanent solution to this and increase security presence in our communities. Watch.
Okay. Igbo here. Yesterday, how slippers are here, huh? No, ni map here. Ka japo. Okay. This happened at Umewo Amala Ngobala. Okay. Why in that Saburu? Why in that Saburu ni mo here? After enough dragging. Why in that Saburu ni mo here? Probably the cops, no. Why Ibra was since yesterday. Honey? Why in that Saburu ni mo here yesterday? And then Nama Fulani herdsmen. When I forgot to go to Kuro and keep Azua. Okay, oh. No, Hanan. No, couldn't much everywhere. How chocolate nama. Chalocon nama everywhere. How chocolate nama. How chocolate nama. On a cocoa nama sibicha on wine. I think I have Yas happy or I don't have. None, I would the woman yesterday. I chocolate nama everywhere. As you can see. I bring out to Umague Humewo, Ishato, and I'm a Tramos community in Ngobala, Imo State. One every since Bera was since yesterday. As you can see, when I just over here, Igbo everything not here. It may God help also. Some government of Nigeria when hug him and touching the Kenyans.